Hello everyone, my name is Yasera Aisyah Fitri Putri Kusmawardani. In this video, I will present my listening lesson design for grade 7 students in PACE D. So, the selected genre is descriptive text and the topic is describing one's favorite meal, including food, drinks, snacks, and texture and taste. The main skill focus in this lesson is listening, and this activity student will listen to a short descriptive text about someone's favorite food and practice identifying the main idea as well as specific details from the listening material. In this lesson, students are expected to achieve several listening objectives. So for the first is they will identifying the main idea of descriptive text about someone's favorite meal. Second, they will recognize specific details such as the food, drink, texture, or about the taste. The third is they will complete missing information based on what they hear. And finally, they will understand how descriptive text can describe food characteristic. In this listening material, I also take from a YouTube video about a kid who named Lily who talked about her favorite food. And next, the student will listen to the audio about 2 or 3 times to help them understand the content clearly. This lesson also can design using the 4 stages of the GBA, or we also call it genre-based approach. So for the first stage is building knowledge of the field. In this stage, the teacher introduced the topic by showing picture of the food and asking students about their favorite food. Also, the teacher introduced new vocabulary related to food and asked students to repeat the word to practice their pronunciation. The second stage is modeling of the text. In this stage, teacher explain the descriptive text is used to describe something. The teacher also explained the simple structure of descriptive text, which consists of an introduction and description. Then the students listen to the audio for the first time to understand the general idea and answer some simple question. After that, they listen again and complete a worksheet. The third stage is joint construction of the text. In this stage, students work in pairs to compare and discuss their answer. So the teacher will play the audio again and students work together to check and correct their answer before discussing them with the whole class. So the final stage is joint construction of the text. In this stage, students complete an individual listening task in the form of a gap filling activity based on the audio they heard. For the assignment, this lesson uses formative assignment to check student listening comprehension during the listening process. The tasks include short response question and gap filling activities. So this lesson design reflects the principles of the genre-based approach because it follows the 4 stages: building knowledge of the field, modeling of the text, joint construction of the text, and the last is independent construction of the text. The topic of favorite food is familiar and interesting to grade 7 students, which help them to engage more actively in the listening activity. The listening materials is also short and simple, making it appropriate for students in PhD. I think that's all about my explanation for my listening lesson design. Thank you for your attention.